What's next for the stock market? Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you'll ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description. We're going to learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right, traders. So I want to do a quick update for you today and show you what I'm seeing on the indices overall and what's really going on through here. Firstly, I want to say is I'm looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average daily chart right now, and let me bring up say 3 months worth of data. Okay, so this is 3 months worth of data here. I'm looking on the screen, and the market has run down, the market's run back up, and now we're going sideways through here. So what I'm seeing right now is the Dow Jones still hasn't made a break above these highs through here. We're still pretty much in this high. So does the Dow Jones continue to run up and we break up through here? Or do we hold and pause? Now, we can actually see that we've been tapering off in volume the last couple of days in the market. So you can see that there. So it'd be really, really, really interesting to see what actually happens next week in the markets, because we're now getting a point where do we break back up and continue running back up, or do we hold here and we have a big down bar and a good volume? If that happens, then I would say look out below with the markets, because we're likely to see some serious downside in the market. So right now, the Dow Jones is not really showing us anything. Now, I believe the Dow Jones is the leader of the pack. Now, there's another leader of the pack, which is also called the Dow Jones Transportation Average. And you can see what the Transportation Average has been doing as well too, right? Look at this here. The Transportation Average has been heading down, and now look at this. Look at that buying. Look at that buying leg through there, right? Really not much going on through there. Very, 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 very weak. Not much going on through there at all. So buying leg, strong selling leg overall. And there's really not much going on there overall. So big, strong selling leg, big, strong buying leg. And that's what we're seeing there right now in the market. So as you can see, right, the volume has, every time we've got a buying leg, the volume dropped. Buying leg, volume drop. So that's actually quite weak for the Dow Jones Transportation Average. Now, if I go back to say the S&P 500, similar thing as well too. We had an up bar, but not a big up bar at all. Just like a 1% up bar. But the Nasdaq is actually a lot stronger than all the other stocks there as well too. So it's really interesting to see what's going on here. But we need to wait for that breakout. I'll need to wait for that Dow Jones. I still believe we're going to drop down, or like we're going to go down, but right now I'm following along with what the market's telling, what the charts are telling me. So what's next for what's next for the actual stock market, and this is what I believe what's coming next in the stock market. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think's coming in the short term. What do you think is going to happen?